In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your YouTube profile picture on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off you need to get YouTube Studio app. Just go to the App Store, search for YouTube Studio in that way, and then tap at Get to download and install the app. And after you are logged in, you can tap right here at your profile picture, then tap Edit Channel Profile, and then just tap at that camera sign over your profile picture, and then you will be able to take a photo or choose one from your photos. If you tap on it, that will open up your camera roll, and then you will be able to choose any photo, and once you tap at Save, that will set this photo as a current profile picture for your YouTube channel. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.